welcome to the Great White Northland. Yes, we got some snow last night. All right, we're going to review a product today. Well, we're going to put in a product. So let me flip you around and show you what we got. All right, so we got a set of seat covers for my wife's new toy. She's calling it the Witness. So that's a pretty good name. Goes with the whole theme of everything going on. And plus, we finally got her to get rid of the Jeep. Now we're in all Ford garage, finally, or Supreme Court. Anyway, we got some leather seat covers made by Florich or something like that. So we're going to put these in, and we'll end up doing a review on these eventually, maybe next week. I'll get her opinion and thoughts on them. And then I'll include my thoughts, and we'll post that in next week's. Actually, it'll be the week after that video. But anyway, we're going to unbox this. Now, these are supposedly leather. Kind of surprises me that they come in their own case. Pretty cool. They look nice so far. Let me flip you around here. All right, so this is what the case looks like anyway. It's got two handles. And that's kind of what it looks like. So we'll open them up and get busy. All right, so we unzip the package. I am really impressed so far just by looking at these. These are the seat backs themselves. Feels like nice leather, perforated leather here for ventilation. This is all perforated leather. The whole thing is leather. So at least that's what it feels like. We got two seat backs. For the front seats, we have headrest covers. We have, this must be for the rear seat and for the armrest maybe, or maybe it's the middle here. Anyway, as soon as we dig into the instructions, we'll figure it out. But my initial thought right now is I am very impressed with this set. So hopefully my initial impression will hold true. Initial thought on this, like I said, I think the seat covers themselves are quality. The instructions are freaking terrible. And you got to kind of monkey with things a little bit, but we got it hooked up. I'll flip you around. I'll show you what it looks like after the driver's seat cover is on. Hopefully they will last. Like I said, the seat covers themselves I think are good, but the products, these little plastic things and stuff, we'll see if those actually last and stay like they're supposed to. But let me show you here. I'm trying to get back far enough. So this is kind of what it looks like after it's been installed. It's got Velcro and it's got elastic deals that hook underneath the seat onto the framework. The hardest part is back here. You have those plastic discs that have to go in between the seat, and then they hook onto the elastic straps and so on and so forth. But I will maybe detail the other side a little bit better. So if anybody has questions on how they go, this strap here is for the seat bottom. It actually buckles, just comes around this piece here, and then the same with the other side. This side's a little bit harder because you got to come up above here in order to get it down, and you really have to stretch it. But we got it, and everything seems to stay in place for now. The other thing is this. Where's my light? Give me my light. This flap, at least on this is a 22 Escape. This flap here, right here, it just wraps underneath. Ford there's an elastic strap that holds this down. It's just a big loop, and they looped it through some plastic, and it's through the wiring for the seats are pushed through that plastic. So in order to, you basically have three options. A couple of options. One, you can pull the wiring plugs out of the seat bottom, which I tried desperately to do with the plastic panel removal thing to take the Christmas trees out. I don't know if they're not normal type of Christmas trees, but I was wrenching on them things till no end, and they would not come all the way out. So what I did is I ended up cutting the elastic piece, excuse me, just a little elastic piece that holds that cover on, cut both ends of it, and then tuck the flap up underneath the back of the seat cover, so it's not all bunched up and looks stupid and whatever. I mean, it doesn't really serve a function other than holding that flap down anyway, which is now covered, and I figured, you know what, we don't need it, get it out of the way, and make things fit better. So that's what we did. Right or wrong, that's the way it's done. A little tip to help make things easier for you. They come with these wire clips. In order to get them put on the elastic, you got to kind of spread them apart, which is very hard to do without using something. And so I just grabbed a long needle nose, used them to spread it a little bit, and then you're good as new. It went on much easier, you know, like most things once you do it. The other one was, you know, we had kind of a system. So let me flip you around here. Yes, we have to redo that Velcro under there. They have Velcro closures. I think you already got the snaps on it. So yeah, you know, back pockets in the seats. Like I said, my initial so far is that these are pretty good quality, and the instructions, like I said, they're bad. I've definitely read worse, but I think an improvement could be in how these instructions are written a little bit. The diagrams are pretty small. Just kind of give you a show here. I mean, that's good. I mean, you can see the picture, but when you're trying to figure out these clips, oh, and that's another thing. They call them chucks in the instructions, but these are nothing like what's pictured in the instructions. So, fair warning there. Don't think that, well, maybe you got the wrong parts or something. I think they maybe revised this or re-engineered those and just didn't change the instructions. That's my guess. All right, so I'm not happy with this product now. We're going to either contact the company, see if we can send the rear part of this back, or if we have to send the whole thing back, or I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do yet, but I'm going to turn you around. I'll show you exactly why I'm pissed. Don't mind that. These things come with this, I showed you those stupid little round things, right? So they tuck under in between the seats. Problem is every time you flip the seat like that and push it back, they come undone. The other thing is that the fit is terrible. It did say that it fits a 22 Escape. Personally, I think this is more of a universal kind of frickin' thing. The headrest part looks like crap. You have these zippers. There's actually, I'll grab the one that isn't on here yet. If you see, there's actually 4 zippers on here, right? So if you unzip the damn thing, sorry, I'm trying to do everything one-handed here. Anyway, so you unzip it, right? And I thought, okay, well, you fit the headrest through here and unzip it up. But if you were to close, you can't get it through, right? Unless you unzip an entire one side, like we did, and then look at that. That looks like terrible shit. Excuse me. But anyway, you can't, this is just crap. I am done. I'm going to take the back part of this off. If they will allow us to send the rear part of this back, then that's what we'll do. If they won't, then I guess my wife will have a decision to make whether she wants to remove the front part and then send the whole thing back, get something different. The one I have for the rear seat in the Jury is a whole different thing than this. It's a one-piece waterproof deal. It fits over the entire seat, and it unzips where, let me show you this. So it unzips in the center here. And when we get out there, I'll show you. But so that you can use the armrest. But look at this too. So you use the armrest. I mean, this fit is just, this is a joke. The centerpiece, that's right, because they don't reach. There's like, there's nothing holding it in place. By no means perfect, but if I'm not doing it right, then they need to freaking fix these instructions, because the instructions are garbage. You pretty much have to guess at what they mean, and this definitely is not tailored for this vehicle. Right, so you see this is all one piece. It's quilted, it's waterproof, and the seat belts, when they need to be used, can come right through here. All right, this is closed with Velcro. You unzip the top, has zippers on both sides so that you can use the armrest. So, you know, the only thing I don't like about this seat cover, and it hasn't been an issue so far, is that since this is a split seat, in fact, I don't know, oh, maybe this doesn't, never mind, this one doesn't move anyway. But I thought if they were adjustable like they are in the Escape, that it wouldn't, you know, you pretty much would have to adjust both seats at the same time. But this is not movable or adjustable. So, all right, and the seats will fold down just fine with it on. You don't need to do anything to fold the seats down or put them back up. Everything stays in place. I like it. As I said, the seat covers as a whole, I'd probably give it 3 stars. 3 stars because the material itself feels good. They look well constructed, well stitched together, not cheap. They were packaged well. I thought it was cool that they came in a bag. In the front seat covers do fit fairly well. I wouldn't say they're perfect, but we didn't have to struggle too much to get them on or to keep them on, so I'll give them 3 stars. I'm removing stars for crappy directions and the fact that the rear seat covers don't fit worth a crap. So that's my review of that. I changed my mind. I'm actually going to just give them 2 stars, and that's based on the materials. I said the construction, but since to me construction is also part of the fit process, I just couldn't give them 3 stars. So like I said, the materials are good. I think the sewing job, you know, putting everything together was a good job, but everything else was just terrible. So anyway, that's what it is. Also want to welcome a new subscriber, Jeffrey Barger. I'm sorry if I got it wrong. Please correct me in the comments below. I'll be happy to make note of that. So everybody, please make him welcome. Also, I want to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are fantastic. Again, you know, if it wasn't for you, the subscribers, I probably would have quit doing this long ago. So I know I'm not one of the best YouTubers out there, but I'm having fun. So I hope you are enjoying these videos and, you know, the few product reviews and car shows and whatever else we do, cruises. And I hope that that's the kind of stuff that keeps you coming back. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video. Oh, I forget. God, stupid of me. make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Please, I'd really appreciate it. Even if you did not like the video, give me the thumbs up. All right, I'm trying. So share it with somebody you think might be of interest. Maybe, you have somebody that bought a new car and they're looking at car seats or something to protect their interior. This might be one of the products they should stay away from. All right. Again, thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.